All right, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about tail lights, specifically LED brake lights for your 10th gen Honda Civic sedan. This is actually applicable to the coupe as well, if it has, regular halogen tail lights from the factory. So parking lights on these cars have an LED strip that lights up, but the brake lights, both the third brake light and the other two, are regular halogen bulbs. So a quick, easy upgrade is to convert everything to LED. It looks better, it's brighter. And what I'm specifically going to be talking about today is the safety upgrade by adding a flashing LED third brake light. So all the parts I talk about today will be in the description below, where you can order them. All right, so let's get started. So if I pop the trunk here, I'll just touch on the LEDs that I put inside of the regular brake lights. You simply remove these two Phillips head, or 8mm, I believe, screws. The headlight pull, or the tail light pulls out, and you can change the bulbs quickly. You just basically swap them out. They plug in real quick. It takes a total of 5 minutes for both lights. Just be careful when you're pulling the housing out that you don't break. There's a little clip that kind of goes in at an angle over here. Make sure you don't break that. Pretty easy. What I'm specifically talking about today, though, is this third brake light. So an easy upgrade is for brightness and for safety, is to add a flashing LED third brake light. And it's so popular that some car dealers are actually starting to sell it as included with the vehicle or as a paid option, because an ACDA crash where someone rear ends you from behind because they're not really paying attention, just the flashing of the third brake light helps to get their attention. And it's something that kind of started in the motorcycle world. It's now kind of coming over to the automotive world. So for really cheap, I can get these bulbs, and it takes a whole probably 30 seconds to replace the light. So you literally just turn it. You can see that the third brake light bulb just pulls right out in the trunk here. Pop that out. All right, so these come in a pack of 2. I'm not touching the LED chips here. And this simply just pushes right in, and we'll snap it back into place. And then I'll show you how it looks. All right, I've got that pushed in there. Get turned back into place. All right, so I've got them installed. I'll go ahead and show you what they look like. Okay, and we'll do it again on the third brake light. You can see it's pretty sunny out, but they're nice and bright. So that's all there is to it. It's a quick, easy upgrade for your Civic. So hopefully it was helpful. Be sure to like the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Again, there'll be a link in the description. Until next time, we'll see you later.